Let's start by prepping our side panels. Take the long side boards and screw in those cam lock pins into the pre-drilled holes indicated. Next, grab the internal divider panel and repeat the process, screwing in those cam lock pins securely. Now, place 4 wooden dowels into the edge of the bottom panel. Carefully align these with the side panel we prepped earlier. Drop the cam locks into the large circular holes on the panel. Make sure the arrow points toward the edge where the pin enters. Use your screwdriver to turn the cam locks clockwise until they are nice and tight, locking the bottom panel to the side. Flip your progress over if needed and prep the remaining pins on the opposite side of the internal structure. Insert another set of wooden dowels and slide the second large side panel into place onto the pins and dowels. Just like before, drop in the cam locks to prepare for the final tightening of the main frame shell. Give those cam locks a firm turn. You should feel the panels pull together tightly. No gaps allowed. Now, let's prepare for the back. Insert the wooden dowels into the rear edges of the frame, as shown in the diagram. Take the back panel and align its holes with the dowels and pins sticking out from the rear of your unit. Take the long hex head screws and thread them through the back panel into the frame by hand first. Grab the included hex key and tighten all 6 screws until the back panel is flush and secure. Turn the unit so the bottom is accessible. Place the 4 plastic glides over the holes and give them a gentle tap with your hammer. Carefully flip the unit upright. It's starting to look like a dresser. Now, move it to its final location. Safety first. Push the unit against the wall and use a pencil to mark the location for the anti-tip strap. Install your wall-specific screw and washer into the wall at the mark you just made, leaving a small gap for the strap. Thread the fabric safety strap through the slot at the top back of the ALEX unit. Reach inside the top of the unit and use the small screw to secure the end of the safety strap to the frame. Time for drawers. We have 9 total. Start by screwing 2 cam pins into the front panel of each drawer. For the 5 shallow drawers, insert wooden dowels into the side panels and align them with the front panel. Slide the side panels onto the front panel pins. Make sure the grooves for the drawer bottom are aligned. Drop the smaller cam locks into the holes on the inside of the drawer side panels. Turn the cam locks to secure the drawer front to the sides. Repeat this for all 5 shallow drawers. Slide the thin drawer bottom panel into the grooves until it's seated firmly against the front panel. Place the back panel of the drawer into position between the 2 side panels. Use your hammer to drive the 4 small plastic pins through the sides into the back panel to lock it in. Now for the 4 deep drawers. Again, start by adding the cam pins to the larger drawer front panels. Attach the taller side panels to the deep drawer fronts using the same dowel and pin method. Drop in the cam locks. Note that these deep drawers use 4 locks per drawer for extra stability. Tighten all 4 cam locks. Ensure the front is perfectly square with the sides. Slide the larger drawer bottom panels into the grooves of the deep drawers. Align the deep back panel between the sides and ensure the bottom panel fits into its groove. Hammer in the final 4 pins for each of the 4 deep drawers. Great job! That's all 9 drawers built. Pull the slides out on the main frame. Carefully slide each drawer onto the tracks, starting from the bottom. Finally, open each drawer slightly and use the small screws to secure the drawer side to the metal track. You're finished.